Welcome to my Adobe Premiere tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of the video and how to replace the background. So in order to learn in order to change the video background, I will show you the sample clip. Here you can see there's one sample video clip. Its background is white, and ignore this black. This is a white background, so I want to replace this background with any pictures or anything else. So I will first select the video clip. I will go to the effect control, video motion. First, in order to understand thoroughly, I will I will create a complete video background. All right, so it's a complete video background. I will next go to uh, effect control, find keyings and color key. I will simply drag and drop the color key in the video profile. In the effect control area, you can see one color key profile has been generated. In this case, you can click this arrow button, then click in the background whichever you want to remove, and just go back to the effect control. Here you can see the three features are given: color tolerance, edge thin, and edge feather. So in the color tolerance, you can enter any numbers between 50 to 150. For the sake of simplicity, I will enter the 85 numbers. So here you can see the video background has been deleted. Despite that, you can see some where black spots have been identified in the object overuse. In order to remove that, you can simply reduce the color tolerance number. Next is the edge feather. This edge feather gives the color brightness to the object. You can see the brightness of the object. Yeah, so this becomes uh, complete animated VFX effect of the object. The beauty of this thing is you can create any video animated with any object staring videos. The drawback of this system is it is since this VFX effect is based on the color background. So in order to remove the background, you have to be a clear and a blank color background. So by using the color tolerance and key color, all the background color can be eliminated. All right, now next thing is I want to add the next background. So I will choose the background. I will go to my profile picture. I will simple select any pictures and drag and drop below the video profile. So this is the first video profile which we have changed the background. This is the second picture which we just replaced it with a new background. So here you can see the background has been completely changing. Despite this, you can see the black vertical bars are shown here. It is just nothing but the difference of the video background size. So in order to remove the size, you can select the video background in the second video, then go to the effect control and select the video motion. In this scale, you can see the scale is given. You can simply increase the scale, so you will see the beauty of the background video background. So this is your video background has been created. If you want to have a moving video background, you can simply do the similar thing as well. This is this is the second effect control area, where if you want to change the background with zoom in and out clarity, you can simply click on this arrow, then go to the scale and click on the toggle animation. So it gives us the features to change the video scale over a period of time. For example, if I choose the clip for at the section, you can see here uh, 4 seconds for example, and you need to click add or remove keyframe. So you have created one keyframe, second keyframe, third keyframe, all right, and fourth keyframe. So for the simplicity, I have created a fourth keyframe. Next, you can see here the keyframe red is given. So if I want to change at this point of interval, so I will simply increase or decrease the velocity rate. You can see here the frame per second is given. So if I change the velocity, it will automatically give us the animated nice part. So I will leave one as a part. Then next thing, I will again increase the velocity. You can see the background has been changing. Yeah. So now I will drag and drop this slide bar in the first section. Here you can see the velocity is 12.1 frame per second, and I will play my video from the beginning. So in this object, you are observing the background has been changing over the scale and respect to the time interval. Yeah. So it gives us a very nice and decent look. If you want to change a different background, definitely yes, you can do. You can add more video frame in this bar in the downside. In order to do that, you can simply go to the video v1, v2, v3 whatsoever, then add a track. By adding a track, you can add a multiple track in this area, and you can have a decent video. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs and click on the bell icon button, and share your views in the comment box. Thank you very much.